Alright guys, today we're gonna do a cloth tutorial, so let's just get right to it. Okay, so this cube is going to be our table. I'm not gonna put the legs on it, it's just gonna be the top of the table. Okay, and before you can do anything to it, you always gotta make it editable or into a polygon, so click on this button and you see over here it becomes a triangle, so you know it's a polygon. Okay, so now we're gonna put the cloth, and for the cloth we're gonna choose a plane, and this plane is gonna become our cloth. So move back. I'm gonna move it a little bit lower. That way when it falls it doesn't bounce everywhere. It has time to settle. Okay, and same thing with the plane, you have to make it editable or into a polygon before you can do anything, and that's true with everything. Before you can even edit it or do something really major to it, you have to make it editable. Okay, and it becomes a triangle over here, and that's what we want. So I'm gonna go to the cube, which is our table right there, and I'm gonna go to tags, go to simulation tag, and I'm going to put a cloth collider. So it's just something so when a cloth hits it, it knows that it's supposed to collide with it. And right there it puts this on, the cloth collider. And now I'm going to choose plane, but when you click on plane, this is still selected, so it's better you click somewhere else until it unselects, and then click on plane, and then from there we go tags, simulation tag, and we're going to tell it that that plane is a cloth, so we're going to put cloth tag. Alright, so nothing's happened until you go down to this animation area right here and you push play, and there's your cloth. Okay, we're going to stop it and we go to the beginning, and I'm just going to slide it manually until it's right where I want it. So you just slide it till you want it, and you see it's bouncy. If you notice that when I go backwards it doesn't do anything because it just won't, so you got to go all the way to the beginning or slide back and then move forward. So I like it right there. That's how I want it on my table. And once you find a point where you want it, you just click on this cloth, make sure this thing is highlighted, and then you go to dresser, and then you go down to this init state and you click the button set. Once you do that, that'll be the initial, that's where it will initially start. If you were to push play again, that's where it starts. And maybe you want to stop it again because maybe this even looks better. Then just go down to the dresser, make sure this is highlighted, dresser, and you click the init state, set, and that'll make that what you want. And then you just put the legs on your table, and then you have your table. Simple as that, guys. Alright, thanks.